Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Crypto. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to log in to our TikTok account. So let's get started. At first let's get into the TikTok app. So here it is. Now to log in, let's click to the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now to log into TikTok we can simply continue with Facebook, Google, Twitter or Instagram account. But today let's do it using the phone number or email address. Let's click on the first option. Now let's type our phone number here. Now you can do this using your email address or username as well. And in both cases, we need to click on send code option to get the code. So let's click on send code. Now, we need to drag the puzzle piece to its place to verify and continue. Now, we need to enter the 6-digit code we get in our message box. So now, finally, we are logged into our TikTok account. So this is all how we log into our TikTok account. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. See you in the next video.